January the 29th, 2013. Brisbane River in minor flood underneath the Goodwill Bridge. Yeah, it's an interesting looking thing, isn't it? I wonder where all the brown snakes are. I'm sure they'll be around somewhere.